Hey guys, how to take a screenshots on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G phone without touching any buttons. So guys, to take a screenshots on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G phone, just go to settings. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now from here, just try to wait for a moment. Just try to find, yeah, under the settings section, just try to find advanced features. Yeah, here you go, just tap on it, and now from here guys, just try to find motions and gestures, just hit on that. Yes, and now guys, just make sure that the palm swipe to capture is activated. So after that guys, just go and take just move your palm from left to right. You can see, here you go. Yeah, so this is the screenshot which we have captured right away. So this way guys, you can take a screenshots on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G phone. That's all guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.